Okay, on to what we did today in class, aka Thursday. So we have a circle with center P at -4, 0 through 2, 1. So we just have to find R. This is what I was like yelling about all day today when we were trying to figure this out. Okay, so center is -4, 0, so we're going to be starting at x plus 4 squared, and that's going to be plus y plus 0 squared, so just y squared, and that's going to be equal to, well, our radius squared, which we're not sure what it is yet. But we do know that we have a point at -4, 0, and we have a point at 2, 1, so we can use our distance formula to find our radius. So what we do is we do y2 minus y1, which is 0, over x2, 2 minus -4. That gives us 1. No, what the heck am I doing? I was doing slope. This is all a dream. That didn't even happen. Okay, and we're back. All right. So, all right, guys. Now we have to find R. Okay, sorry for being weirdo. Let's actually find R now. Okay, so we have to do the distance formula: x2 minus x1 squared, and then y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so we're going to take the square root of x2 is 2, and then we're going to do minus -4, all squared, okay, plus, and then we're going to do y2 minus y1, so that's just 1 squared. So then what we get is we get 2 plus 4, which is 6 squared, which is 36 plus 1. So this can be square root of 37 is equal to R. So then R squared is just equal to 37. So then if we're plugging this back in, we just have to take this and put it right there. So the final form of our thing is x plus 4 squared plus y squared, and that's going to be equal to the R squared, which is 37. Alright, so when you're finding the standard form of a circle, you have to make sure you know the center, and you have to know R to get R squared. And then once you have that, you just plug it in to the standard form, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, which is equal to R squared. And then once you know h, k, and R, you can plug those in. So in this case, h was -4, so we did x minus -4, which was x plus 4. We did y minus, well, just 0, so we were just left with y. Okay, sweet. Find the center and radius of the circle, then graph the circle. Okay, so the center is going to be at -1, -3, because this is h, and this is k. We do h minus k, so if we're doing h minus k, we would have x minus a -1, which gives us x plus 1, y minus a -3, which gives us y plus 3. So then we have a -1 and -3 for our center. Our radius is just 1. R squared equals 1. So then our radius is going to be the square root of that, which is just 1. So then we want to graph this. So first we're going to go, I guess we have to draw some lines in here. So let's do that. Oh my god, this is going to be a straight disaster. Hey, not so bad. So then we go over -1, we go down 1, 2, 3 to right there. All right, and then our radius is 1, so this is going to be kind of messy. We're just going to go up 1, over 1, over 1, down 1, and then we just have to draw our circle. Okay, now if our radius were bigger, let's say that our radius were like, I don't know, 9, then we would be going up 1. We'd be going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? And then we'd be going over 9, down 9, and then we draw our circle. So that in general, that's how you do it. I just want to make sure you know how to do it when the radius is not 1.